Fidget Hunting at Walmart. Okay, I know they probably don't have some up here. Actually, okay, they have big squishmallows here, but here's a big one here. It's cute-ish. Not a big fan. Of course, it's Valentine's Day, so it's not gonna be my kind of squishmallow. Ah, they got a Hershey's. Okay, they have a cute little thing there. So we have that. That is cute. Alright, we're gonna look for squishmallows, see if they have anything. Don't mind my boots. There's a whole bunch of snow everywhere. So, yeah, right behind the boots. Okay, so, we have to go into the, toy section for this. So I really hope they have a Tangle. So I found a Tangle here. Okay, so they have these. They have pretty cool fidget spinners. It's pretty neat, I guess. And they have these too, but not too sure. They definitely have Nidos. They have a blue Nido. Oh, let's. Ooh. And no, guys, I didn't open this. I just found it. It was just there. It was just kind of sitting on top of the Nidos. It's actually pretty good, especially from Walmart. Oh my goodness. They have colorful ones. Holy crap. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna get this. This is actually so pretty. I love it. So I really hope I can find a, oh, here's a Poppet. They're actually pretty good. I already got one from here, but I don't think, I can't find anything else that I might want to get. So yeah, but I'm gonna get this. Do they have a squishmallow somewhere? So I ended up getting this and this pineapple because they're actually pretty good. And I love pineapples, and I don't have a heart pocket yet, so this is actually perfect. And it's double-sided and it's really pretty. I love it. These are both really pretty, but I wish the pineapple was a little bit more, aesthetic. But it's okay because I really like this one, and this one is also double-sided. Yeah, that's all I'm getting.